My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. We have the 2023 Ford Transit Custom Camper. This vehicle has only done just over 1,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our kitchen area, which is complete with a sink, cooker, oven and fridge. Moving on to first of our two double beds. As we'll be able to see from the pictures, this transforms into 3 belted seats, making this camper 5 belts, 4 berth. To the left of our steering wheel, we have a cruise control as a feature, and to the right we have voice control. Moving on to our touchscreen, on the first page we can access navigation, Bluetooth and mobile apps. On the second we have Apple and Android CarPlay, as well as 4Pass Connect and emergency assistance. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. If we pan the camera around, we can get a good view of the pop top. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.